Kublai shiboni pi barok ki parlok ki biju page ikene ke channel na ke por chakapor. Akan ke video ngidan banwan ra IP ya ke kambalaj apo jong ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society pas Hills Laumali Shillong. Kino ki bekwa ban apply sungguh ban the page ikene ke video na du pasang du ban tukut kenang ba pintip ki egi post ki balaj kerdan puliu dan kam bat kumno ke ban apply. Ka office jong ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong ke kuat application na ke bentagi eligible candidate ban pendap ia kene ke post ka bade ha ke contractual basis ka batang sisnam bat kidang la ban extend ia kene ke post kat kum ke performance jong u candidate kerteng jong ke post ke dai cluster program manager kerdan pulih dan kam pide ban pendap ia ka bachelor degree ha ke medical or allied health science, master degree ha ke public health, healthcare management, healthcare administration, social science, psychology, applied epidemiology, demography, statistic, population science or similar field with 3 years of work experience, out of which 2 years of experience at supervisory level in state or district in health program. The desirable kalong. The suitable candidate should be familiar with the organization and function of the state and local public health system, state AIDS control society, excellent written and verbal communication skills in local language and English, that is speaking, reading and writing, strong analytical advocacy and negotiable skills, willingness to travel extensively, and other expertise include program managed skills, good knowledge of computer, coordination leading teams. Ka salary ke desan pusau hajar hak bnai. Number of post dan tangkawai ke posting kendai hatura ke age limit sau pesan snam kat kum ka live way trik Januari hajar pendreu. Bat ka center na ke benta ke written test dan ke exam kendai Shillong. Candidate fulfilling the above criteria may apply in the prescribed standard form along with one recent passport size photograph and self-attested copies of all relevant testimonial. Jika ku akan apply, kerukuman apply ke di offline, tapi dia ban penbiang ya ki dokumen ki jongpi dengan mau benda self-attested ya ki dur badan kam kawai ka dur passport size. The self-attested ya ki testimonial dan ya ki dokumen jongpi barok candidate pide ruban I ya ki contact number but email number jongpi hapo jong ka application form ke jongpi ya ki application pila ban submit hapo ka office jong ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society pas Hills Laumali Shillong. Last date ke di 4 Julai hajar pendreu kenam dan keti EDA na kebentaki candidate kiban appear ya ka written exam dan ka interview ya ka list jong ki eligible candidates but ki details hakabai day but ka written exam but personal interview including the selection criteria kin sapen mi hapo jong kane ka office website www.meghalaya.sacs.com. Incomplete application will be rejected. Dah hakabai day but ka notice na kabentagi eligible candidate hakabai day but ka written exam but personal interview kin sapen mi hapo jong kane ka website www.meghalaya.sacs.com. Tikino ki bedan jingkali pilaban komen hapo comment section jong kane ka video. Kublai shibon.